Good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to see Human Genome Project. It is a curious fact that each human individual has a separate identity which differentiated him from other. And this identity is due to the presence of specific genetic makeup, all of us know. That is why the two individual persons are not similar and the difference lies in the genetic makeup. If we trace the difference between the two individuals at molecular level, the difference lies in the nucleotide sequence of their DNA. This led the scientists to prepare a detailed map of human genome, and the field was called as genomics came into the existence. The field of genomics is based mainly upon a new area in biology called bioinformatics. Bioinformatics is the branch of science concerned with management and analysis of biological information stored in databases. This branch developed after establishment of genetic engineering techniques, introduction of automated protein and DNA sequencing technology, and use of computer to store enormous data which could be easily accessed remotely. By the end of 1980s, it became possible to isolate and clone any piece of DNA in order to determine the DNA sequence. This led the initiation of an ambitious project of sequencing human genome, which was launched as Human Genome Project. Human Genome Project is a comprehensive international effort that was started in year 1990 by the molecular biologists to map the entire human genome by determining the complete nucleotide sequence of DNA of each chromosome, that is 22 autosomes and X and Y sex chromosome. Human genome consists of approximately 3 billion base pairs and it costs 3 US dollars. That means overall expenditure, if we guess, it is 9 billion US dollars to complete the project. Beside a costly affair, the problem of storing the sequence was also challenging. This was understood by assuming to store the obtained data sequence in the typed form in the book. Then you need about 3,300 books, and each book should have 1,000 pages, and each page should contain 1,000 letters to store the information of DNA sequencing of a human single cell. Let us see the goals of human genome. क्यों करा गया? क्या गोल था? To determine the sequence of 3 billion base pair present in the human genome, ये इसका पहला गोल था. To determine the function of approximately 20 to 25,000 genes in DNA of human. To identify and point out the specific gene that causes genetic disorder. To store the information about DNA sequencing in database. To improve the tools for data analysis. इसमें methodology दो तरीके से करा. एक को कहते हैं एक्सप्रेस सीक्वेंस टैग और दूसरा सीक्वेंसिंग एनोटेशन. एक्सप्रेस सीक्वेंस टैग में से वही डीएनए लिया जाता है जो किसमें चेंज होता है, आरएनए में, और सीक्वेंस एनोटेशन में पूरा ही डीएनए जो करे एक्सप्रेशन को किसी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन हो कि नहीं हो उनको भी इंक्लूड करके उनकी स्टडी की जाती है. इसकी कुछ स्टेप्स हैं. सबसे पहले Human Genome Project follows the technique of sequencing the total genome. The total DNA was isolated from cell and then broken into random fragments of relatively smaller pieces. These fragments then clone in suitable host using specialized vector. The common host were bacteria and yeast. The vector of bacteria were called bacterial artificial chromosome, and those of yeast were called yeast artificial chromosome. Nowadays, PCR techniques are used, that is polymerase chain reaction, is applied for making copies of DNA fragments. The cloning resulted in the amplification of each DNA fragment so that sequencing is done with ease. After amplification, the DNA fragments were sequenced using techniques of automated sequencing. This technique was developed by Friedrich Sanger, who got Nobel Prize for this. Each fragment is sequences from two ends. The sequence were then arranged on the basis of overlapping regions. Alignment of these sequences is very complicated work, which is humanly very difficult. For this purpose, Specialized computer programs were written to accomplish the task. A computer program identified the overlapping sequence and joined them into one continuous stretch. These stretches were then assigned to specific chromosome. Presently, all the 22 autosomes and X and Y chromosomes have been sequenced. The sequence of chromosome 1 was completed in May 2006. Moreover, the genetical and physical maps on human genome were generated utilizing the information on polymorphism of restriction endonucleases recognition site. Let us see the salient feature. The total number of human genome nucleotide base present in the human genome is 31,164.7 million. The average gene has 3,000 base, but there are size vary greatly. The largest human gene is dystrophin, which contains 2.4 million bases. The total number of genes present in human genome is 30,000. Earlier, this number was thought to be 80,000 to 1,40,000 genes. Maximum number of genes, 2,968, were found in chromosome 1, where minimum number of genes, that is 231, were found in Y chromosome of human genome. Almost all nucleotide bases are exactly the same in human being, that is 99.9% were same. The function of more than 50% of discovered genes are not known. So this was all about human genome. Let us see the application. Where it is used. It is used in enhancing the basic understanding of human genetics, reveal the genes responsible for the disease such as cardiovascular alignment, diabetes, Alzheimer's, etc. Provide information that helps to prevent inherited disease, lead to the treatment of genetic disorder. Thank you.